So, welcome to the start of the bedroom panelling vlog. Please excuse the bed, I've not really done a proper bed make today as the bed's going to be moving forward. The bedside table is going to be moving forward and I'm guessing things are just going to get a little bit messy. But as you can see, I mean we've had this like this for ages. I just feel like it's too white, like it blends in with the ceiling. You can't even see like what's wall and what's ceiling. So, oops, we're out of focus. There we go. So yeah, I thought it was about time that we panelled the bedroom. I've got a few inspo pics on my phone from Instagram. A few of my friends on Instagram have had some gorgeous panelling put in their bedroom. So we're thinking white panelling 3/4 of the way up and then a wallpaper on top. And I am just so excited. So here are two wallpapers that we're trying to decide between for the top of the panelling. We've got this one from William Morris. It's the honeysuckle and tulip, I think. What does it say on it? Yeah, pure honeysuckle and tulip in like the blue-grey colour. And it's not really too blue at all. I feel like it'll match the headboard quite nicely and it'll match the white panelling really nicely as well. This is a wallpaper that I've seen on Instagram as some inspo. By the way, sorry if I'm talking a little bit weirdly. I've got the worst ulcer in the history of worst ulcers ever on my tongue and it's literally affecting the way I speak and everything, so apologies for that. This is the other wallpaper that could be an option as well. It's from Sandberg. It's hard to see in the light. Let me turn down the exposure a little bit. So it's a very like pale neutral colour, but it's got this gorgeous like diamond pattern all over it with a little flower in each diamond, so that's really pretty as well. So when we've got the panelling up, I'm going to like open them both and see which looks better. I'm thinking the William Morris one, but you never know until you try it. So yeah, they are both contenders, and whatever we use for the bedroom, we'll use the other one somewhere else in the house. So yes, let's get ready to panel. Dad and Jake are just cutting the bits of wood for the smaller panels, like the rectangular shapes that we're going to have. Are we having 5 across or 6? 5 across. The wood cutting station is out again. Nice shoes, Jake. Matches your top. Do you like stripes? Here is all our wood being cut. So we're just doing some measuring now. We're going to go for 1.5 metres tall for the dado rail. Rectangle.
Between each rectangle and dado and skirting board, just 100 mil everywhere there's a gap.
Whenever there's a gap, it's going to be 100 millilitres, which is it's not millilitres, millimetres, which is a nice gap. Nice easy gap to measure out. This is our dado rail that we're putting on the top. We ordered this from Dresser Mouldings, and it's the same one we got for our stairs panelling as well. Ooh, exciting! Yep. So it's the next day now and we've just let the glue dry overnight and we've still got like the pins in there and the masking tape, just keeping it in place. So hopefully tonight after work Jake can start caulking all the little gaps and just making it all nice and seamless. So I posted a little story of this last night and already some people have messaged me asking where the panelling is from, where the wood's from, the sizes and everything. So I thought I'd just include it in this video as well, and I'll also link it down below in the description box and all the sizes and everything that you need. So we got them from Dresser Mouldings online, and the dado rail on the website is called Type 15 Timber Dado in Pine. And we got a 3.9 metre, and I think it was pretty much a perfect fit. I don't know if we had to cut it a little bit. And then the rectangular panels, the wood for that is a type 4 timber panel mould in pine again, and we had some left over from when we did our stairs panelling, and then we just bought another little bit to add on to it. So yeah, I'll leave those linked down below as well in case you want to get the same sizes as us. So we think, well, we hope it'll be dry by tomorrow, and then tomorrow we can start painting. I say we, I mean you, Jake. So we're ready to start painting now. Jake's just sanded down all the wood, and we're just about to unbox our gorgeous new colour from Coat Paints, which has been in a box for ages whilst we've been waiting to panel the bedroom. And look how cute that little bag is. It comes wrapped really nicely in a little drawstring bag. So we'll open it up now and see what the colour looks like. I'm scared. We've just unboxed it. It has leaked a little bit in postage, but nothing too bad at all, is it really? At least we've still got all the paint. And what colour is it? Screenshot. I'll just zoom in. We wanted like a nice white, like off-white panelling colour to match with the wallpaper that we're putting on top. So we went for Screenshot, but they have so many gorgeous like paint colours on there, really like on-trend colours, lovely sage greens and nice neutrals and whites, but we like this swatch the best, and it was made by Steph. So thanks, Steph. So I'm just having a little go at painting before I film some more YouTube videos, but what do you think of the colour?
It's white.
It's a nice white though. Do you feel like it's off-white?
No.
Or just like white? What do you think? Would you hire me as a painter?
Yeah.
That's my part done now. So we're on to painting the actual panels. I've just been looking from like this side. Please excuse the unbelievably messy room and the suites on the side, but can you just imagine when the bed's pushed back and the bedside tables? I just think it will look so nice. Jake was asking me why I've actually gone for white panelling. He said, isn't it all just going to be for nothing? Because obviously the wall's white, but I feel like with our pattern wallpaper, the panelling just had to be white, and especially since we've got a grey bed and grey bedside tables, I just thought the white would be a nice background for behind those two things. So we've gone with white, and I'm so excited to get the wallpaper on too. Second coat today. He's just about halfway through the dado rail on the second coat. So we're on to the third coat now. It's looking so good. I love the colour of it. I know it just looks white, but when you compare it to the wall colour, it is like a different colour white, isn't it? It is a different colour white. Jake just feels like, what is he doing? Just painting over white with white. But, no. But yeah, it does look so good, and because it's quite quick drying, isn't it, this paint? And it's been quite hot today, even though the weather's awful, it's still been quite hot. So you've managed to do the second coat, and now we're on to the third coat. And then, do you reckon that's all it needs then?
I'm hoping so.
And then we can do the wallpaper tomorrow. Floralie Dad is coming over to help us with the wallpaper and train Jake up on wallpapering. And then we're gonna also screw the lights on. And at first I was like panicking about electrics because we don't want a wire hanging down. But I think what we've decided is we're just gonna screw the lights up, the like wall lights, and then do that hack where you can get like those little things from Amazon and pop them on top of the lights, and then you've just got a little clicker to turn them on and off. So I think we'll just do that rather than like messing around like with the plasterboard and everything, and Jake's definitely happy about that. So yeah, I am so impressed with the colour. All 3 coats are done. I don't know if you can tell a difference from the panelling to the wall, but in real life you definitely can. It's a really lovely, like, off-white colour, and I feel like it'll match either one of those wallpapers really nicely actually, but I feel like it'll match that William Morris one really well. So well done, Jake, for painting all day. Tomorrow we're going to do the wallpaper and possibly screw the lights up as well. So excited! So it's the next day now, we're moving on to the wallpaper. We've just cut our little bits. It looks so pretty, doesn't it? And then we've got a wallpaper pasting station up in the hallway as well. And hopefully it'll be finished by tonight. Wallpaper is done. That's just finishing off that last bit, cleaning the wall. I love the pattern so much. The grey colour is perfect, matches the blinds and the bed really nicely. We're just going to do the lights in a little bit and then we can push everything back, and then tomorrow I'm going to have a day styling it up. I love it. So we're just doing some measuring for the wall lights. I originally thought we were going to put them on the panelling, but it's just looking a little bit too low, so we're going to pop them just above the panelling on the wallpaper. These were sent over by Value Lights ages and ages ago actually, the same time they sent over our bedroom light. Our bedroom light is also from Value Lights, lovely crystal light there that we love. Well, I love. Do you love it, Jake? But at the time they also sent over these gorgeous glass and chrome wall lights as well, and we've just not put them up yet because we've had like the garden and other projects like the utility and laundry room, but now it's project bedroom. It's time for them to have their appearance on the gram. One light up, one to go. So I've just finished styling everything up. I've changed the bedding for the occasion of the panelling being done. That sounds like we never change the bedding. We do change the bedding, but I just thought I'd put a new fresh bedding on from Dusk, and I've popped a few different accessories on the bedside tables, styled everything up, taken a few Insta shots, and I am just in love with the new panelling and wallpaper and the new lights. So I know I've mentioned colours and wallpaper and dimensions and things like throughout this video, but I'll pop everything down below in one place so it's just easier for you. I've had a lot of questions already about it from my little sneak peeks on Instagram, so I'll leave everything there for you and you can use it as you wish. I just love this room so much now. I really think it just brings everything together. Let me know how you'd feel about a complete bedroom tour, because I feel like I'd now be able to give you a bedroom tour. I've been holding off because I've wanted the panelling and the wallpaper and the lights doing so badly, but now that that's done, I feel like I could give a little bedroom tour on YouTube, and I can show you like the other areas of the bedroom as well, like my dressing area and then the little wardrobe area. So yeah, hopefully that can go up this summer if people are interested. Again, a big thank you to Dad, aka Super Dad, and Jake for working so hard getting it all finished and making it look so pretty. And another big thank you to the gorgeous companies who worked with me on this bedroom project as well. We are going on holiday tomorrow, so I am having a no makeup day, a loungewear day, messy hair kind of day, trying to hide my face with the camera. But I did just want to come on camera to end the vlog and say thank you so much for watching. Thanks if you got to the end. I really hope you enjoyed seeing the bedroom transformation. Please leave me a little like and a comment down below. I'd love to know what you think, and I will see you next time with a new video. Bye!